We're Troy with Ellis Manufacturing. We provide construction equipment for the commercial, residential construction industry. We do anything from scaffolding, guardrails, horizontal shores, Ellis clamps. We do safety material. We've been doing this for 72 years. We believe in safety first, so everything kind of starts at the ground. We have tripods that keep everything safe, gives us a nice base. We also have base plates that come in 18 and 24-inch square at the bottom that you can attach. And this is for scaffolding like you see above head. You can pour a deck above us. We have the guardrails so everybody doesn't fall off, it's safe. Then the company, 71 years ago, started with what's called the Ellis clamp. It's how you basically put two 4x4s together. The founder made these in his basement in 1951, handed them through the basement window to his wife. They put them in the trunk of the car and they went to Oklahoma City and sold them. And these have been used extensively for 72 years. And it's just two 4x4 pieces of lumber with two Ellis clamps. They'll support 4,000 pounds up to 14 feet. And you can use them until the wood runs out. At Ellis, we pride ourselves on safety. We will not provide a solution if it's not safe. So safety first, made in the U.S. second. We have inventory on the shelves in Oklahoma City. We can ship within 24 hours, 4 to 5 days shipping, continental U.S., but we do ship all over the world. We're solution oriented. You call us with any kind of a problem, we'll help you out. So stop by World of Concrete 2024. Visit Team Ellis. I'm Troy Frost, Vice President of Sales. We're here to provide you solutions, safety. Stop on by the booth, talk about the race car, get some beers, and have fun.